Welcome back to J&J's test video. This is S4CE327. This is a originally purple SSR that I don't know what happened to it, but somebody put a yellow front end on it and then flamed it up. It's a good set of wheels and tires. The roof works, CD player works, just a little special. Let's see if we can get that top to go up, but let's show you the miles. I think it has around 90-some thousand. 92037. Bunch of racing. Not too bad. Go ahead and close it up. Grill's broken as always. Let's see if the top works. These are misaligned, so I might have to futz with it to get it to work. Oh, but it does work because it went down. Oh. Alright. Go back up. Oh, it's trying. I'm going to have to mess with the top real quick. See if it'll close. Oh yeah, it's all old. Here, Basil, walk around and try to grab this for me.
Which part am I grabbing?
There you go.
Pull up?
Yeah, hold on a second. Let me try to. That's going down. Now I'm gonna go up. It's trying to lift that up.
It's getting pinched here.
Yeah, it pinched. I got it. That's a. Let me go down a little bit to get this side down.
That side's not moving.
Put. All right, look at that. Now it works.
Just needs a little bit of love and some oil.
Yep. They're broken, half of them. All right, there's that. Your CD player's working, and we'll drive it around. Thank you. That'll do it for S4CE327 2004 5.3 SSR running driving with a working but misaligned rear top. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you later.